Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some live swatches of Glisten Glow's brand new collection. This is their 12th anniversary trio. Glisten Glow celebrated 12 years in business back in March, and this collection is celebrating their 12 years. It consists of 3 gorgeous polishes, and if you're a purple lover, you are going to love this collection. This is going to be available on April 15th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can get the entire collection for $30, or you could purchase the polishes individually for $11.50. But let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. Up first is Couldn't Have Done It Without You, and this is described as a white-based Crowley loaded with pink, purple, and blue metallic flakes. I think that this is more of a light lilac-based Crowley rather than a white-based Crowley, but it is still so gorgeous. Those pink, purple, and blue metallic flakes really look like confetti, and this just feels like a celebration on your nails. I applied this polish in 3 coats for full opacity, and of course I topped it off with the Glisten Glow top coat, and I'm also going to show you what this looks like matte. So here are 3 coats of Couldn't Have Done It Without You with a glossy top coat and with a matte top coat. Up next is Truckin' It Through 12, which is described as an icy lilac polish with added color shifting shimmers that shift from orange to red to yellow to green, and purple reflective glitters. For this polish, I also applied 3 coats for full opacity and to build up all of those color shifting shimmers. Again, I applied the Glisten Glow top coat as well as the matte top coat to show you both glossy and matte swatches of this polish. And this polish really shines under bright lights or under a flash, which I'm going to show you in just a sec. So here are 3 coats of Truckin' It Through 12 with the glossy top coat and matte top coat. And here's Truckin' It Through 12 under my phone flashlight, and you can see how much more of a vibrant purple it becomes with those reflective glitters. And finally, this is We Still Got It, which is described as an iris purple jelly polish with color shifting flakes that shift from purple to blue and added blue reflective glitters. This polish has got a really cool combination of those small reflective glitters with those slightly larger flakes. Again, I applied 3 coats for full opacity to build up that purple jelly polish, and I applied the Glisten Glow top coat and matte top coat. So here are 3 coats of We Still Got It with the glossy top coat and the matte top coat. And here it is under my phone flashlight, and you can see that those blue reflective glitters give off a cool tone sparkle to this polish. And here's one more look at the glossy and matte swatches of the 3 polishes from Glisten Glow's 12th anniversary trio. Again, these are going to be available on the Glisten Glow website, which I will leave linked in the description box below. And they're going to be available on April 15th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The entire trio retails for $30, or you could purchase the individual polishes for $11.50. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I'm going to leave a link to my Glisten Glow playlist on your screen and down below. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!